This is our first problem of quantum mechanics, in which we have given two states as up and down states which are orthonormal to each other, and further two states are given which are psi1 and psi2, and this psi1 and psi2 are the linear combination of this up state and down state. We are required to calculate the value of z so that psi1 and psi2 are orthogonal. We will start by defining orthonormal states. Two states are orthonormal if the inner product of one state with the other state is 0. That is, if we take the inner product of up state with this down state, we will get the answer 0. And if we take the inner product of up state with itself, we have the answer 1. Similarly, if we take the inner product of down state with down state, we will get 1. So by up and down states to orthonormal each other, it means that they are satisfying these properties. And we have to calculate the value of z so that psi1 and psi2 are orthogonal. Two states are said to be orthogonal if their inner product is equal to 0. That is, if we take the inner product of psi1 and psi2, we will get 0. And here we have psi1 in the form of a bra vector, whereas in the statement psi1 is given in the form of ket vector. We will convert this ket vector into a bra vector by using the definition of psi1 ket vector, and we will take its complex conjugate. We will get the bra vector. Using the value of this psi1 here as the up state minus 3 iota times down state and psi2 ket as the up vector plus z times the down vector, and their product will be equal to 0. Here in the statement, this ket vector was in the form of up plus 3 iota, whereas here in the bra form it is minus 3 iota. That is, we take its complex conjugate. Now evaluating this product as up state with the corresponding ket vector of up state and minus 3 iota times z with down state as down state, this is equal to 0. Only these two terms will survive. The product of this term with this term yields us 0, and similarly the product of this term with this term gives us 0. Now this inner product of up state with up state is 1, and similarly the inner product of this down state with down state is 1, which is 0. A little simplification gives us z is equal to 1 over 3 iota. For answer to be in standard form, we will rationalize it and will get the answer as minus iota divided by 3, which is option C. So C is the correct option for this problem.